Hi friends, we're going to be running through a very interesting, informative and illuminating course, and the course is Human Resource Management, a beginner's guide to the corporate business enabler. Now, what do you think would be the difficulty level of this course? So the course gets tagged as that of an intermediate level, and in order to comprehend and complete this course, all that you need is a basic earnest interest in the subject, that is human resource management. It does not matter and it's not important if you're a student or an academician or a corporate professional who has any sort of introduction, acquaintance or expertise in the subject. Now, of course, if you are any of those entities, it would help for you to enhance your knowledge, to up the ante when it comes to understanding the broader ambit of human resource management. However, if you're none of these, if you're just somebody who has a simple interest level in the subject, I can assure you that once you complete this course, you'll be exposed to a wide spectrum of knowledge and information about what human resource management is all about. This takes us to the course objectives, right? This course basically introduces you to the genesis, history, development, architecture, dynamics, essence and impact of human resource management as a subject. It aims to exponentially, not incrementally, increase or enhance your understanding of and the comfort level with the subject. So the idea is to make sure that there's an exponential increase in your understanding and comfort level when it comes to this subject. The idea is not just to skip you through some details, even though it's a beginner's course, but I'm going to be making sure that you are aware of all the finer concepts, all the building blocks of human resource management. You're extremely well versed in what human resource management is all about. Now, talking about the course description, this course details or deals with the detailed exposition about the human resource management realm. It covers all the important aspects of the subject in a lucid and easy to understand manner, and along the way enriching your knowledge core. So what do you think will you be learning in this course? I'm confident and I can assure you that by the end of this course you'll be highly conversant and well acquainted with the human resource management realm. Your level of understanding with respect to the subject would be substantially enhanced and shall help you in the pursuit of your personal or academic or professional pursuits, or simply for the purpose of gaining knowledge about a particular subject that you are interested in. So what's intended as a target audience for this human resource management course? Now, basically this course has been designed without any specific target audience. Why? Because anybody can run through this course with the ease of comprehension and clarity of exposition about the same. So as I said earlier, you don't need to have any prior exposure to human resource management, either as a student, an academician, or a corporate professional. All you need is an interest. Is that craving to know more about a particular subject which entices you, which excites you, which enthralls you, right? So it's basically an open entry course which invites everybody to come forward and either gain or spruce up their knowledge, whatever the case might be, about this exciting, enticing and exhilarating subject. I know that's a lot of ease, but I can't help using them fine. That has changed the way that we live our lives today, right? So this is all about the course introduction. I'm going to be running you through the human resource management in the forthcoming slide. Thank you.